Nobel laureate Dr. Muhammad Yunus has been sworn in as the chief advisor to Bangladesh's interim government a short while ago, following weeks of intense student protests that led to Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's resignation and flight from the country. Well, Yunus, who arrived in Dhaka from Paris earlier today, has urged calm and appealed to Bangladeshis to get ready to build the country. President Mohammad Shahabuddin administered the oath of office to the new government. Apart from Yunus, a total of 16 other advisors were sworn in during the ceremony today. Among the other advisors are Salehuddin Ahmed, Dr. Asif Nazrul, Adilur Rehman Khan, Hassan Arif, Tawhid Hussain, Sayyida Rizwana Hassan, Muhammad Nahid Islam, Asif Mahmood Saji Bhuya, Brigadier General Retired M. Shakhawat Hossain, Supradeep Chakma, Farida Akhtar, Bidhan Ranjan Roy, FMM Khalid Hassan, Nur Jahan Begum, Sharmeen Murshid, Farooq Azam. Noteworthy is that there are 2 advisors among the 16 who belong from the country's minority communities. While Bidhan Ranjan Roy is a Bangladeshi Hindu, Supradeep Chakma belongs to the tribal Chakma community of the country. The announcement of the new interim government was made shortly after Hasina's dramatic exit on Monday from the country. She ruled for 5 terms. On Wednesday, a court overturned Yunus's conviction in a labor case in which he was handed a 6-month jail sentence in January. He was chosen to lead the interim government during a meeting of Bangladesh President Mohammad Shahabuddin, military leaders and the heads of the Students Against Discrimination group. The 84-year-old, who has mostly stayed away from the politics, is known as the banker to the poor and was awarded the 2006 Nobel Peace Prize for founding a bank that pioneered fighting poverty with small loans to needy borrowers.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम प्रधान उपदेष्टार शपथ আমি মোহাম্মদ ইউনুস সশ্রদ্ধ চিত্তে শপথ গ্রহণ করতেছি যে আইন অনুযায়ী অন্তর্বর্তীকালীন সরকারের প্রধান উপদেষ্টা পদে কর্তব্য বিশ্বস্ততার সহিত পালন করি আমি বাংলাদেশের প্রতি অকৃত্রিম বিশ্বাস